Hey Mount Elbert team, this is a quick video tutorial explaining to you what you're going to be doing during the week of virtual learning. So boys and girls, just like every day you probably do in most of your classes, you're going to go to Google Classroom, click on that classwork or stream tab, and you're going to see a daily lesson pushed out. Every single teacher should be pushing out some sort of agenda every single day during your class time in Google Classroom. After you open that agenda, you will see a couple different steps. The first thing in every single class you have of your 6 periods, boys and girls, you need to click on the attendance form. It'll open up a Google form. Please fill this out. We are taking daily attendance in every single one of your class periods, with the exception of access. We don't have any accountability for that one. But you're going to fill out your attendance. If you have periods 1 through 4, you'll do this from 9 to 11:45 for those classes, and in the afternoon 1 to 2:15 for periods 5 and 6. Fill that out and you'll submit it. Go back to the daily agenda, read the class goal in my class, Mr. O'Keefe's class, Mr. Cosby and Miss Prada's class, read any announcements, and then do the activity, whatever's posted, and do the exit ticket if it's so posted as well. So you'll be doing this on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. All right, boys and girls, it's going to be similar in every single class. If you guys have any questions, please email us. We are here to help. We know you guys are so super used to doing some online learning, so this should be a cinch for you guys. But the most important thing is you have to check in every single day for every single class. This is how we're taking attendance. This is how we're showing the state that we are learning. And this is how we won't have to go to school in June. Thanks, boys and girls. Bye.